Hello, folks. Guys, let's welcome back. So let's see in Excel how to multiply two values or more values. More values, how do you multiply? We have one formula. Stay tuned with me. And if you would like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And here you go. Let's learn multiply more values across the rows and columns we're going to learn. Without further wasting time, let's play with the system. Okay. So like last time we have seen, so more probably like we'll try to, no. Okay, let's check here only. Okay, I would like to keep 20. We'll take simple values 40 and 50 and 24. This, or else some bigger value, this. So I would like to multiply. Okay, across row I will show you equal to. Okay, so you take either this one or this one if you'd like to multiply, if you'd like to make a multiplication of these values, and shift asterisk from your keyboard and select the second value. So it is how it will be multiplied. So let's check the same thing one more time. Select, multiply this value. Okay, so equal to this one, for example, this one into this value. So this is how you can able to multiply it. Let's see this bigger value also. This into means your asterisk. So this is the bigger value got it. This is how you can able to multiply two values. Simply, what is the formula? Select and what are the two row values you would like to multiply. That also you can able to do it. Okay. So let's try to extend this example with this. So if you would like to calculate at column level. Let me try to show you this one equal to same. So this value into this value. Anywhere two values located also we can able to multiply. For example, so the resulted cell is this one. So I would like to diagonally 2 into 968. I would like to do it. So select this, go here. What is your first value? Into, and you can take any cell value. See, the result will come like this. So you can able to multiply. So you can able to display the result anywhere from any row, any column cell, you can able to multiply it. That's how it works. Okay. So let's try to do one thing. So let's try to make it simple numbers again, 30. Okay. So you have a values like this. Let me do one thing. Okay. 20. Okay. So this is bigger value. Let's try to make this one as number. Okay. So do one thing. Okay. So what I want to do is, so more than two values I would like to multiply. For example, if I would like to multiply all these values, how do I do that? Like, it's quite simple. Here the formula comes into picture. The formula is product, PRODUCT product. So DUCT product into. So from here to, okay. So you can select completely so that the multiplication will have this much bigger value will be there. Simply I will show you. So don't get into this. Now if you ask me, I cannot able to multiply. So let's see, take this value simply. Okay. So simply go to product. Okay. So we can able to multiply these values, right? Okay. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay. 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So I think you are remembering your school days. Okay. So this is how you can able to do it. Let's try to make it. So here the multiplication is like, these two rows. So let's try to make it something row wise also. You can able to, if you want to do it, you can able to do it row wise also. Let's do one thing. So again, apply. So like, n number of rows, you can able to multiply it. Okay. Maybe it will be useful in industrial and accounts calculation specifically. So product, if you see this from here, if I select this, it is going to calculate these values. Okay, here also I want to make you clear. So like 2, I will make it, and this also 2, this also 2. So 4 twos are 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 16 into 2, sorry, 8 into 2, 16. This is how you can able to do that. This is how the product formula is useful. So if you would like to calculate huge rows and columns multiplication across multiple values. Okay. If you if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that it can be helpful to you. And I cannot say thank you so much. Have a great day. So I'll teach you. We'll catch up in another formula. Have a great